you guys, what's up? Today I thought I would do like a cleaning vlog or just like a vlog. Excuse me. Anyways, or just like a vlog with some cleaning in it because look back here. My house is really upside down. The living room is the same way. Molly had a bad dream and came in here last night. So her stuff is here. My morning clothes are literally in the middle of the floor. I have actual trash. These are my bottles. Mine, yes, I'm a gross pig. My kettlebell, the dog's toys are always everywhere, so that's to be expected. But I'm watching Friends. That is not all. Here is this gross kitchen. Look at my laundry pile. I just have it all stacked up on the table because I need to fold it. I washed it all and threw it all on the table, but that's also clean and needs folded, so where the laundry fairy at? Look at this, like, help me Jesus. Anyways, so the only thing that's gotten done today so far is me. Wait. What I mean is the only thing, I don't know. I put my makeup on and I'm dressed, okay? So that's that. OOTD while we're over here by the mirror. So this shirt, because I get questions on it every single time I wear this in a video. I got this shirt from Wish. Like Wish, the Wish app or whatever. Yeah, got it from there. It was like $3, but it was 2 years ago. So if you want one, you'll have to just go search and see if you can find one. These jeans, they're dark. You can't even see them really. I mean, like, you can't see the pockets or anything. They're so dark. But these are Levi's. I just got them. You guys, these are my kids' socks, but that's okay. If y'all like Levi's, then now is the time to go because I usually get my shorts from there and they're like 40 to 50 bucks. Right now, since it's out of season, they're on clearance for $9.99. So go grab them. I actually got these on clearance and they were $17. And then I got some that were regular price and they were like $55. So they do have jeans and shorts on sale right now. Levi's are life if you didn't know. So that's it. I'm going to cook myself some breakfast. So that's what I'm going to do. I went ahead. I don't have anything to do today. Nothing. I have nothing to do but clean this house. I say nothing, but like that's going to be a lot. Look how my hair's like growing out. And I don't know what to do with it. Also, I'm having breakouts. So I'm not really sure why. But yeah, my hair's growing out. So it's like in a weird, I don't know. I was thinking I was going to go chop it really short again, but then I was thinking about maybe growing it again. I don't know. Right now, look, see, it's just like weird. It's just weird, so I'm very sorry, but yes, right now I'm going to go cook breakfast, and then I'm going to start cleaning. So let's do that because I'm hungry AF. Y'all, my TV is so loud, so I'm really sorry about that, but I'm trying these sausage patties that I got from Aldi's. If you didn't see my grocery haul, I did a Aldi's and Lidl grocery haul. And so I got a few things that I'd never tried before. And by the way, I got so much food for just $114. But I'm going to try this because I never have. And I'm going to let you know how it goes. But I've got my 2 eggs up here. So I'm just, and my OJ. So I'm just going to have sausage, eggs, and orange juice. And it is, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:40 a.m.
It's 11:40 a.m. I did not wake up until 10 today. I didn't have anything to do. It was raining this morning. I was like, let me sleep, Jesus. So I did. And so when I did wake up, I went and watched The Bachelor. Look at that freaking laundry. I went and watched, not I went somewhere. I watched The Bachelor because I had DVR'd it, you know. And so I did that. And that lasted like over an hour. That was a long episode. And then they're going to have another one, excuse me, tomorrow night. So I'm going to be posted up on the couch for that one too. But yeah, I'm going to eat. And then we're going to get to cleaning. But what I have to do is I have to clean my floors. Like I have to vacuum. And I have to vacuum all of the floors and the furniture. Because I'm going to bring my laundry in the living room and sit down and watch TV and watch videos while I'm folding laundry. So I have to make sure there's no dirt, no dog hair, no dust, nothing. That way it doesn't stick to the clothes, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 dogs, so I have to vacuum every single day, and that includes our furniture and every single thing. So the spatula is a piece of crap, and this sausage will not flip over. Hold on. So that's the plan. And once I have all of that done, I still need to make my bed. I need to Windex the windows and the door because dog noses are a thing. Dog nose art. That's what we like to call it. You guys, we bought our dog a car. Forgot to say that. We bought a car because it's a 4-wheel drive and we wanted one 4-wheel drive. And it's like a little SUV thing. And that way our dog can go places with us, because if it's us and all 3 of the kids, even in our big truck, there's nowhere for the dog to have her own space. I'm not going to put her on the back. I'm not going to do that, okay? I know dogs do that, not my dog, okay? My dog is my child. I'm not gonna do that. So, we bought a car that has like, it's a Honda CRV, I think, and so, you know, the back seat, like the trunk is open and you can just reach over, and the trunk space is like big, you know, for her. She can stand up, she can lay down, our luggage can still go back there with her, groceries, you know, whatever, like things can fit back there, and then so can she. So we bought our dog a car, okay? The next thing I was going to tell you guys is I'm going to be doing a decorate my entryway table, except it's not an entryway table, I have it in the kitchen. And I'm going to redecorate that whole thing. And I think I'm going to do a video on that because I have a whole lot of... I've never decorated that table except like a coffee bar, hot cocoa bar for Christmas and stuff. But I've never had it actually decorated like I want it. So I'm going to do a decorate with me on that table. And you guys, if you want to see that video, you can. And you can like let me know things I need to get, where I need to move stuff, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let me eat and then we're going to clean. All right, not that anyone cares, but in case you do, this is a breakfast. I gotta get a fork. Got my OJ, I'm ready. God, I'm hungry. I'm trying to eat eggs because I've been working out and I need all the protein I can get to build muscles because your girl is tiny. So it's 2:38 right now, and I'm in a coat. It's not a coat. It's like a, I don't know, whatever. I got chilly. But I got all of the cleaning done, laundry, dishes. Well, when I say laundry, I got all of those mountains of laundry folded. I have my daughter's blankets and comforter in the dryer. I've got my sheets in the washing machine. So I need to go switch those, toss those back on her bed. She can make her own bed. She's nearly 13. I can just throw them on the bed and she can make the bed herself. I think I have about 1 or 2 more loads of laundry to wash that I need to do. And then I know that she has at least 1 or 2 that she needs to do. So like I said, she's about 13. So I make her do her own laundry, as in pick it up out of the floor, put it in the washing machine, and start the washer. And she'll throw them over into the dryer too if I holler for her to do that. But when they come out, I fold them. What else? Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to go start making chicken here really soon. That way I don't have to worry about all of it tonight super late, because I'm going to do a bacon ranch chicken casserole tonight. And it's delicious, and I highly recommend that you try it if you haven't. The recipe is in one of my What's for Dinner videos, and I'll link that video down below if you want to go see how I make it. But it's so good. I promise you will not be disappointed. It's so good. What else? So Molly should be here in about an hour. I sat down, like I went and rearranged or like decorated my little side table like I was talking about. So I did that, just playing around. I didn't film it. I just wanted to see like where I actually, I'm stuck, where I actually liked everything, what I needed to maybe go and purchase, stuff like that. So I did work on that too. And I think it looks pretty cute, but I'm not going to show it to you because like I said, I'm going to do a decorate with me over on that table. So yeah, wait for the kids, cook dinner. The dog's taking a nap, and literally I might too. I'm the nap queen. I've got to go flip those clothes over or like switch them, like I said, and then I might really take a quick nap after I get this chicken cooked, because I sat down for just a minute to look on my phone, and I got, you know, to going through the whole scroll hole thing, And now I'm so sleepy. And I haven't done any squats, deadlifts. I hadn't done that today yet either, so I need to do that. But I'll let you know what else I get into and when the kiddos get here. It's been an hour since I saw you last. Molly should be here anytime. I'm getting ready to make some ranch. Some homemade ranch is way better to cook with, or like in casseroles and stuff, than ranch from a bottle, in my opinion. Other people might not like that, so just making that. And I've got my chicken cooking. My refrigerator, well, it needs cleaned out. It's so nasty. It needs it so bad. So here's my chickens cooking up. It's just 2 chicken breasts that I sliced and beat to death. And then I'm gonna chop up my onion, do all that. That's what I'm doing. So when Molly gets here, she's gonna say, "What do I smell? What's cooking?" And then when she finds out it's not gonna be done immediately, she's gonna freak out and say that she's done. Because that's just how she is. And she'll find a snack. She'll probably eat noodles, pretzels, croissants, carrots with ranch. Yeah, that's probably what she'll eat. That's on her list of things to eat after school. So let me go make all of this stuff, and I will see you again. Okay, food's in the oven. I'm just waiting for it to get done so I can eat it because I'm hungry. What's new? But we are going to have a new member of the family. We're getting an addition, so that will make 6, 7, 8. That will make, excuse me, I'm trying to vlog. Do you know nothing? What are you doing? That'll make 9 of us total, right? I've got like neck bangs hanging down for some reason, but Summer is bringing home a pet, a new pet, and so I'm going to show it to you whenever she gets here. She's so excited. She's been wanting one for years and years. She's been asking, and one of her co-workers was getting rid of it, so she's bringing it home. Well, fingers crossed that it goes good. Everything is, what is that piece of hair I keep saying? Everything is good with it, and I'm going to show you. She's on her way home right now, so BRB. She's here. She's home. Koda's very interested. Tell us what you got here, Summer.
Guinea pig.
She hasn't named him yet.
Oh my God, look how fat
He's
he
all
looks.
scrunched up now. No. Get her out.
Go to your room.
I don't know what no, she don't need to. She might be all right, but I don't want no chances.
That's crazy.
Leave
how
it.
Fat he is.
He doesn't have a name yet. Koda's gonna probably eat it if it gets out. So we're gonna keep it in her room because it's her baby. Do you?
No. Well,
Sam.
yeah. Kendall's hamster latched onto my finger.
Summer's afraid to hold the guinea pig, but she's
I can't believe
been
Leah
sitting
done
down
it.
here on the floor with him. Will he fit it? He'll fit under the desk, right? That's his new home, under the desk.
I'm just not gonna get him close enough to that wire where you can chew it.
Yeah, because he will. That's a good thinking. Like, just scoot it over, like, up or something. Kova's still amazed. What is it? Oh, that's your carpet swept over. I was like, what is that?
I need a vacuum.
What is that?
I don't know if he's scared of it.
Well, I'm sure he's not going to like it, but... It's 6 p.m. now, and I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap the vlog up. Summer's eating. Molly's talking on FaceTime to her friend. Not FaceTime, but like a voice call thing. Leah's in her room doing whatever Leah does in her room. I don't know. So I think that, well, the kids get out. You get out early tomorrow. Did you know that, Summer? Yeah. Okay. Kids have half a day tomorrow for whatever reason. And I think I'm going to try to get up early and film the decorate with me for that little table I was telling you about. I think I do still need 2 or 3 pieces to go over there. So I need to go upstairs and see what I have, like, as far as decor. Because I'm not trying to decorate for, like, spring yet. I just kind of want it to be, like, a neutral table, you know, that could work for, like, year-round. But I can go upstairs and see what I have. I think I need, like, some kind of sign that I'm actually going to have to go pick up, though. So we'll see how it goes. But keep an eye out for that video. I have a what's for dessert video going up. I think that'll go up on Friday. yeah, so I think I'm going to go take a bath here very soon. I'm watching Modern Family right now. And then I'm going to put the kids to bed between 8:30 and 9. And I'm going to bed because I never took my nap earlier and I'm sleepy. So I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.